Today we're making a healthy bowl of soup with a mix of prebiotic fiber-rich veggies that'll help boost your healthy gut flora and live probiotics. This Miso Leek and Bok Choy soup is not only delicious, it's nutritious. We're going to start by slicing up our leeks and lightly saute them in ghee with a hint of salt, then set aside as we prepare the base of our soup. Now we're going to bring our supporting ingredients, garlic, shiitake mushrooms, and minced ginger to the party and saute for 5 to 6 minutes in our soup pot. Then add chicken bone broth and 2 cups of water. Bone broth is especially beneficial to gut health as it's rich in gut healing nutrients like glucosamine, minerals, electrolytes, and collagen. You can also use vegetable broth if you prefer to make it plant-based. Let simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes before adding our bok choy and leeks to the party. Then we lid the pot, turn the stove off, and let it sit while we make our salmon. When ready to serve, add about 1 tablespoon of miso paste to the bowls, pour some broth over it, and mix until smooth. Then add the rest of the soup before eating. The accoutrements I'm adding to this soup, of course, is the salmon, chili crisps, green onions, and kimchi. Now we're ready to get down. Today's hot sauce, I'm going to be using yuzu. Yuzu is a citrus fruit from Japan, and this sauce would pair well with it. It's got a nice citrusy taste. Now let's dive into this broth and see how delicious it tastes. That is refreshing. This is a good bowl of soup to have after a night of drinking. Happy New Year's, y'all, and always stay hungry, my friends.